going to do 23,417 minus 1,562 using a place value chart. The place value chart helps get us ready to do standard algorithm, but this helps us really understand what we're doing when we get to our standard algorithm. To do this with place value chart, I'm going to set up the subtrahend, our first number, the number we are taking away from, using discs on my place value chart. So I'm going to put 7 ones, 6, 7. I'm going to use 1 10, 4 hundreds, 3 thousands, and 2 10,000s. So that is 23,417. Now I'm going to represent diminuend, the number I'm removing, using digits. I do this for 2 reasons. 1, there's no reason to use discs, so it's quicker because I can use digits. And 2, it helps me remember that I'm subtracting and not adding. Now I'm going to subtract them. I'm going to start in the ones and I'm going to take away 6 ones. So if I was using actual manipulatives, I would remove 6 from the column. I'd pick them up and take them away. But since I can't pick up a dot, I'm going to cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to see how many dots I have remaining. See that guy right there? I've got 1 dot remaining. So when I took away 6, I was left with 1 left. Now I'm going to take away 2 10s. But if I come up here to take away 2 10s, I can't do that. I don't have 2 10s, so I can't take away 2 10s. I can't cross them off. So I'm going to come over to my hundreds, and I'm going to unbundle. How many do I unbundle when I unbundle? That's right, I'm going to unbundle 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not going to unbundle until I get 10 total, but every time I'm going to add 10 new dots. I used this 100, so I'm going to cross them off. And now I need to remove 2 10s. How many 10s do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 10s left. Now I need to take away 5 hundreds. Ooh, but if I come up here, I only have 3 hundreds to take away. I can only cross off 3. That's not enough. I need to take 5 because I have 5 hundreds to remove. So what do I need to do? I need to unbundle from the thousands. So I'm going to take 1,000. I don't have that 1,000 anymore. I'm going to replace it with 10 hundreds. Every time I unbundle 10. Now I need to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 1. To see how many I have left, I'm going to count up my remaining dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 hundreds left. Now in my thousands, I only need to take away 1,000. I'll cross that off, and I have 1,000 left. And I don't have to take away any 10,000s because my minuend didn't have any 10,000s. So I've got 2 10,000s left. So my difference, or answer to a subtraction problem, my difference is 21,891. Now, just a couple of quick mistakes I've seen students doing. Sometimes students forget to write down that you still have 2 10,000s left because you didn't do anything to this column. So make sure you always check all of your place values to make sure you're done subtracting. Another mistake I see people doing is that when they unbundle, they only unbundle enough so they get 10 dots in the hundreds place or 10 dots in the tens place. But it's super important to remember that every time you unbundle, you're going to unbundle 10. You're going to put in 10 new dots. And the last mistake I see a lot is that people don't put their dots very neatly, so they can't keep track of how many they have or how many they have crossed off. So just be sure you're being really neat with your writing and putting them in groups of 5. This is how you subtract using a place value chart. Pretty soon we'll move into using standard algorithm, but if you need to, you can use place value chart for most of this year and we'll get better at it and really master how to do it on a place value chart before we tackle doing it in the standard algorithm.